Hey, welcome back, or welcome to those of you who are new to the Freedom Income YouTube channel. So in this video, I just wanted to update you on the Swing VIP version 3, which is the newest updated version EA Expert Advisor, which the company has just launched. So those of you who are new to my channel, or that this is the first video you've seen on the Swing VIP, perhaps check out some of the previous ones, because I've done 4 or 5 videos on the Swing VIP in the past, over the past 4 or 5 months or so. So this Swing VIP, this is the newest version. I'm just retesting it, and I'm doing it on small positions, like the smallest positions, and it's a small account, £980 account. So let's see how that goes. Today's date is the 3rd of May. Just want to see how that goes from here. So basically, there's been a few updates with this EA. So an EA is an expert advisor, which is a robot that trades for you on automation, right? So I've been using this bot for about 5 or 6 months. For the first few months, for the first 4 or 5 months, this bot was making really good returns, about 10 to 15% on a good month, 20% return on investment, and return on your account, all on automation. That was consistent for about 4 or 5 months. Average was about 10 to 15% per month, and it was only sort of the most recent month, since about 3 weeks ago, that it started going to deep, big drawdown, and that put me off. So I stopped trading it. But the company, I've actually emailed the company, I've spoken with the company, and they there's probably other people who've both spoken with them, so they have actually updated their bot to a new version, and which has lower drawdown, better risk management, and also got news filter, which filters out the news. It doesn't trade during volatile times or unexpected volatility. So I'm trying it again, just switched it on today because it's just launched today. Swing VIP version 3. And you're trading off the 1 minute on 5 different currency pairs: the EU, the GU, the UC, the NC, and the AC. These two are not it. These two I'm actually using another bot, which I'm going to speak about it a little bit later later during this video. So I just want to try it out and see how it goes. I'm doing it on a smallest position sizes in a small account, just to see. This is a live account. We'll just see how things go over the next month or two. I do think it will be quite good. Especially if it's better than the previous version. And also you can change the settings. You can actually update the settings if you just sort of right click Expert Advisor, go to properties. Inside it you can change it to maximum drawdown, loss percentage. You can do all that, make updates there if you want to keep the percentage drawdown maybe even lower if you don't want it to be 20% or whatever. So so the drawdown's better, the risk is better, the news filter is better. So, and also remember that for about 4 or 5 months I was making really good profits all on automation using this EA. So it's really promising. And if they've updated, and now that they've upgraded it to a smarter EA, which, you know, similar to before but even smarter, I feel quite good about it. I mean, it's just only a few trades that's open, and a couple of them are sort of in a bit of a drawdown, but I mean, that's nothing, to be honest, minus £3-4. So like that's virtually nothing. So we'll see what happens over time. I don't know. I do think this is going to be quite good. So I will share a link as well, and do watch the other videos. And so I'm testing actually 2 different EAs on this. I mean, I'm actually testing like 10, 20 EAs just now, but the 2 main ones I'm using on my live account just now. One is this one, and another one is the Forex Fury, which I've been using now for about 2 weeks. That's been pretty good as well. Although I find it better to trade during a certain time. Literally, there's just trade for like 1 or 2 hours a day with this during specific times. It tends to work better, and the win rate tends to be higher, especially if you avoid sort of news hours. Which the hours that you trade with this is going to avoid that most of the time anyway. So the Forex Fury has been pretty good as well, in my opinion. If as long as you know how to use and trade it right, just switch it on during that time, switch it off during if it's not that time, and just trade 1 or 2 hours a day style. Swing VIP, you literally just leave it on like 24/7 if you want, or 24/5. You know, it's pretty good. So that, I just thought I'd update you guys with that, or include a link in the description as well. And I do, you know, hopefully it works out really well, and I will share it with you guys. Maximum drawdown is 20%, so it can't really be that bad, especially when it most of the time makes consistent profits ongoing. So let's try that out. And Forex Fury as well. I've been trying that for 2 weeks. Been working well. Been profitable as long as you select the right trading hours. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll leave that there for you guys to decide, and I will update this maybe on a fortnight basis, every 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I'll maybe do update a new video to see how we're going. So right now, £980. See what happens after 2 or 3 weeks. And thank you. Happy trading.